Today, we take you behind the scenes at Jamaica Cottage Shop, where craftsmanship takes center stage in the creation of our timber frame barn. At the heart of the workshop, the CNC machine is creating, shaping, and giving new purpose to these sturdy timbers. CNC, or computer numerical control, is the driving force behind the transformation you're about to witness, turning digital designs into intricate timber framework. Timber frame joinery, a nod to the past, takes on a new life with our CNC machine. Picture precision at its peak, carving out mortises and tenons amidst the rhythmic hum and buzz of the workshop. This machine isn't here to steal the spotlight. It's a workhorse in the symphony of craftsmanship, weaving together the timber frame dream. With an artistry that fits joints seamlessly, it turns your barn into more than just a structure. Jamaica Cottage Shop Timber Framed is crafted with tradition and precision. Visit us online at www.jamaicacottageshop.com.